Guess the fish didn't like that. Not the lamp.
So we're gonna see if he messes up. Andy, she's going, Andy! Andy, no!
They don't like the foil. He scared the dog.
Nope.
What is this reaction?
Let's see a handstand. Damn straight!
That's one smart cat.
The most dangerous animal on this planet.
Marvin, stop.
Little
I
businessman.
had an appointment for today.
Un gratta vinci da 3.
And look at this little businessman!
Big man, I need the Xbox on, please.
Will he help him?
Thank you.
No need for scissors.
What's up? Oh my god. Ender, what?
He didn't expect
the
that.
heavy metal sound.
Bagel, no! Bagel! Bagels!
Number 30. Do you know sine 2x over x? Max.
He can't keep up.
All the no, you can't do that. The possibilities of
Whoa. Hey, cat.
Lego Town event that's not open to...
Тебе
Someone is
животное
stuck.
домой.
There's been spottings of a cougar, and that's not it. That looks like a house cat.
This is Wednesday, 1 a.m. Thursday, excuse me, I'm trying to do my job. Wednesday time.
Guidelines na mong binabasa ko. Let's say, for example, kung private
Today, I'm Nicole DiDonato, live in East Town, and those details coming up.
We tolerate this.
This cat is hilarious.
De abandono. Gente.
Estamos com um visitante, Luke.
Comes right across the state of Michigan, and that system could bring us about an inch of rain.
Hey, only 3 Minneapolis beaches.
Finding the people around too many for them to.
If that made you laugh, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more cat chaos with me, Ted the Talking Cat. Seriously, subscribe.